Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine and I have a recipe to share with you today. We are making smashed cucumber salad. The first thing I'm going to do is add some olive oil to this pan and I am going to toast some sesame seeds. I have about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Now I'm altering a recipe that I found online. You can find that original recipe down in the description box below. So I've got 3 cucumbers here. These are Persian cucumbers and I'm going to use the pestle of my mortar and pestle to smash them. This is a granite pestle, so it is nice and heavy and it's actually quite satisfying smashing these cucumbers. We want to release those juices and it's going to allow it to absorb the salad dressing once we're done. So I also have 5 cloves of garlic here and I'm also going to use that same pestle in order to smash them on my cutting board. Next, we're going to slice up those cucumbers. This is a really fast recipe. However, it does take a while to chill and allow all of those flavors to mix together. So we're going to put everything into a bowl. We're also going to add those toasted sesame seeds and we're going to add some raw sesame seeds as well. We're going to season with some salt. You can also add a touch of soy sauce if you'd like. And then to that, I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. We're going to toss everything together. Now you certainly could have it now, but it will taste better if you let it chill in the refrigerator for at least an hour. But this is the kind of salad that will just keep tasting better the longer you let it sit and let all those flavors come together. This is a really delicious, quick salad, and I hope that you'll try it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see some of my other cooking tutorials, you can tap on the screen right now. That link is also in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the blog post that accompanies this video for more information and pictures of this recipe. And if you'd like to see what we're eating on a daily basis, you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.